In this video, I will show you how to play USB videos on your LG Smart TV. Now over here, I have a 32-inch LG WebOS Smart TV, but this should work for any size of LG Smart TV you have. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and connect your USB drive to any of the USB ports on your LG Smart TV. Now over here, I have just two USB ports on my LG, so I'll just go ahead and connect the USB drive to any of the USB ports on my LG Smart TV. And once you connect the USB drive to your LG Smart TV, you should see a notification just like this one over here on your LG Smart TV, indicating that a USB drive has been connected to your LG Smart TV. And what you just want to do at this point is to come over to your remote control, and then you just want to scroll over to this list of apps at the bottom over here, and then scroll horizontally from this list of apps until you get to the media player app, which is basically this app over here on your LG Smart TV. You can literally see it is the media player app. Now go ahead and open up this app, and from here you should be able to find your USB drive that is connected to your LG Smart TV. Now you can literally see under U-Disk over here, these are all of the files and videos that are actually contained in my USB drive. Now to play any of the video over here, you just want to scroll around and look for the particular video you want to play from your USB drive to your LG Smart TV, or alternatively you can just come over to the sort option over here at the top, and you just want to go ahead and select videos so that only videos will be shown on the USB drive. So just go ahead and select videos, and you can literally see all of the videos I have over here. So I'll just go ahead and play any video over here, and as you can see, I am now playing USB videos on my LG Smart TV. But by the way, if your USB is not detected by your LG Smart TV, then the problem might just be the fact that your USB drive is not on the right format. I have made a separate tutorial on how to format your USB drive to MS-DOS FAT32, which will enable any smart TV to be able to detect your USB drive. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.